Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the File 3D Model. In this video, we're gonna make a new Stumble Guy character. I have a picture of this, but and I will make the banana one, the one with the glasses. Okay, I have a banana that I have made in the fruits video. Go check out the video on my channel. Okay, I will take that and then lining up and start lining up the banana as the shape of the character. First, I will make it mirror from the other side and then scale it from the middle side and then extrude it from the bottom and from the top. First, we will make the base shape and then we will add other things as well. I will scale this just a little up and then extrude it one more time, join the vertices for better topology, and now we get the shape. It is not perfect from all sides. I will delete the half and give a mirror modifier like this. I will rotate it or move it just on the middle and move every vertex to the middle. It will automatically merge to the center, merge to the middle. So I will make every vertex to the middle. Now it is done. Now we can continue. Make the shape. Move this just a little to the side. Now main shape is complete. Now rotate it in the edit mode, and now make it shape like it's a long standing character. Okay. Now we can scale it from the front side. Make it as it is. Rotate it. Make the origin in the middle and move it up in the object mode. Now scale this just a little and then extrude it like this. Now we are getting something like exact shape. Save a work. Okay. Now select this face, duplicate it, and from here we will extrude out the legs, subdivide them, and then extrude out. It will make the perfect circle. That's why I subdivided it, and then I will extrude out the legs and line up correctly. It is not in the standing pose or something like that in the picture, but we will make it like that. I will move the legs a little back, scale them, and stand the banana and like it is standing. Okay, now we will make the shoes. First, for now, I will extrude out the feet like this. Increase the bottom face like this and set the vertex crease and move some vertices around. And for shoes, extra detail we will make it now, or it's a little complicated sometimes, but we can figure out how to do it. Okay, now to make the arms, duplicate the legs and then scale them, place them correctly, move them a little back and make them short, long. Yes, thin, long arms, and then duplicate the face again to make the gloves and duplicate it again, make the hand like this. And we have to extrude it one more time or add a loop cut, extrude it, make the thumb, extrude the face to make the thumb, move it up and select this piece, move it back to and place them correctly. Okay, line up everything correctly, join the vertices if it doesn't give the shape. Now place everything correctly, then okay, now we can move on to the shape of the glasses. We only need to increase some areas to make the shape of the glasses. I will do this from the front side and from the back side and to the top side as well, and increase a lot to make it shape like this. Now duplicate this face, turn clipping on, move this edge a little to the back, extrude it down, and now we have some thickness. Now increase the side edges and make it a little down as well, and then increase all the edges we extrude. Okay, Now move it back and a little to the side as well. Now select the back faces, move them back or move them a little to the side and make the glasses just like this. Extrude it multiple times and make the shape as it is in the original. Now deselect this loop and then bevel it. Don't bevel it, just clear the main crease and now scale the glasses. Okay, now we have to make the mouse. Duplicate an edge, extrude it, make it, give some thickness, give some shrink wrap and a little solidify. Like this, it will give sharp smoothness, but we don't need that. So apply the shrink wrap modifier and then give it extrusion manually. Okay, now it's time to color everything, but first Alt S to give it some thickness and scale it, move it up close to the glasses. Alt S to scale everything and join the arms, legs. Only thing we need to make is the shoes. Move them a little to the front like that. Okay, we can delete the face, the upper face, and make the shoes like this. There's a very easy trick to make it, but it can be a little complicated sometimes. Okay, the trick is to firstly line up and scale everything correctly. Okay, the main trick is insert it one time and then select this loop, move them just a little like this, and first main thing is we need to keep everything straight and correct. Now delete this, like this face, extrude it inward. Extruding it inward can do the job, but the main trick starts is to delete that face. Now extrude it one time, extrude the two edges. Okay, now select the whole shoe, extrude it, Alt S to scale it inwards. Now extrude the leg one time and select the upper loop, move them, slide them a little up to make the shoe like this. Now to make the laces, two laces to highlight it, duplicate the two faces, two laces and two faces. It's a little similar word. Add a shrink wrap to it, give it some solidness and add a loop cut in between. Add a shrink wrap and a solidify to make the shoes like this. Now it is looking much better. Now place them, arrange the modifier as it gives the nice result, and then save the work. Our character is almost done. It's time to color everything. First join the similar objects as one piece and separate the shoe piece, and then shrink wrap the laces as the shoe piece like this. Now it is giving the same result. Okay, we can apply the modifier and scale the shoes as well. Apply all the modifier if you want, but I will do it later on. Okay, we can do that and then add an image texture for the base body with the color palette. For the whole body, the banana piece, I will use the yellow color. Place the UV in the correct color and then select the faces. We want the color a separate color like that. Now select the legs and arms to add a separate color like a light green and brown, something like that, and a little darker color, and a white color for the gloves. And for the shoes I will use the red color, and for the laces white color. I will make the glasses black with some shiny color. Yes, new material I will use without image texture. I will reduce the roughness, and okay, we can use that texture and merge the insert the face from front and back and merge them at center. Okay guys, now our character is complete. This is the final result. Yes, this one. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video with another Tumble Guys character. Allah Hafiz.